Hello, and welcome to Writing 122. I'm Beth Aidlott, your instructor, and I've been teaching this course for a number of years. I'm not tired of it yet. This is a totally online course. That means we'll be doing Zoom for office hours, Zoom for if you want to meet with me by appointment, nothing face-to-face, and no time when you will be required to be anywhere at a specific time. We might be doing a little bit of Zoom workshops, but if we do, they'll be videotaped. Everything is perfectly asynchronous. Now, what that means is that you're going to have to get your schedule together. Good news is everything will be due on either Wednesday or Friday or Sunday. That'll help you try to get your calendar organized. I know it will me. Now, this course is argument, research, and multimodal composition. That means everything we write will be argumentative in nature. We will be developing a thesis, persuasive argument, research. We will be working on how to use sources in your essays, how to document them correctly. Multimodal composition, what does that mean? We live in an age now when writing itself is not quite enough. We need emojis. We need illustrations. We need graphics. So at the end of the term, we'll be talking about it all the way through, but at the end, I'll ask you to do an infographic. Don't worry, I'll explain it all, but I'll ask you to present an argument. Remember, this is argumentative writing in a graphic format, in a visual format. We'll talk about it much later, and you can look at it here. This I'm looking at here on Moodle, the introductory material. You can look at the getting started is good for figuring out Moodle. Syllabus, everything you need to know. Course resources, look particularly at the basic needs. LCC, I like our college. We care about you, whatever it takes to help you succeed in this class. If you need access to housing, food, daycare, tutoring help, whatever, we're here. Please contact me the minute you have any problems with this course, because I want you to succeed. I promise you. Only one book for this course. You're welcome. Dave Eggers' The Circle. This is fiction, maybe science fiction. It's about social media. We're going to be talking about social media a lot in this class. I chose this topic because, of course, it's important to our society as a whole. And I know you have an opinion, whether you use it or not. You have a reason for your choice, and I'd like to hear about that. Course forums, again, I'm looking at introductory material. Every week, twice a week, I will send you something on the news and announcements forums just to keep you up with what we're doing. Any questions? Get in touch with me. Be happy to talk to you about the course. Bye for now.